Your complete car care solution. A-1 Custom Car Care.
Hello, this is Dustin with A-1 Custom Car Care. I'm reaching out today to talk to a lot of our business owners, fleet managers. I know there's a lot of fleets and small businesses in the area that are looking for people to give them a very high level service to make sure that you guys can get to your customers. And that's what A-1 Custom Car Care does. We've got an awesome digital inspection that we will make you a part of what's going on. Whether you want to be here in person and see it, or from your office, we can send you information that keeps you in the know. That way you don't have to wonder about the condition of your fleet. That way you have confidence when you dispatch your team out there that they will be able to get to your customers and solve their problems. So if you depend on your vehicles in order to reach your customers, we are going to be just as passionate about that as you are.
Complete car care solution. A-1 Custom Car Care. A-1 Custom Car Care.